Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can freeze frame videos on your iPhone. So make sure you have the iMovie app. Then you are going to go to the place where you want to freeze frame it. You can't see it here. Go to the speed button and you're going to select freeze. Then as you can see, it's going to freeze this entire clip. You can then select the freeze clip, like the frozen clip, and you can adjust the duration of how long you want it to freeze. And that is how you can freeze frames just using your iPhone. Well, I guess just using the iMovie option. And that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I forgot to say, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video, and this is my cue to leave. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!